Brian, how about over you? Want to give an example of sort of one specific area that you'd like to highlight? So you're coming at it from a different angle, as you pointed out there, as a CTO versus a CISO, but I'm sure you have an example of one particular thing you'd like to highlight in regards to something that you all have embraced over there, enabled, authorized, whatever it may be, to allow this capability to start to get propagated.
Yeah, absolutely. I think we've actually had some pretty good success in a few different areas at DHS. I mean, we took a very practical approach to zero trust. We really looked at, again, impact. How can we positively affect the security posture and the users users' interest in zero trust? But I think our biggest one was really the implementation of those things that tie into, our cloud assets, things like the Cloud Access Security Broker, the Cloud Security Gateway. We knew that we were going to try to move things out of the VPN, but even prior to going into the telework posture that we're in now, we knew we were moving a lot of things to the cloud. We were closing down a data center. We knew that cloud was going to be a focus for the department. Part of that is mission, part of that is just optimization. So we knew we were going to need cloud-based solutions for our security, and we knew that we were going to need to be able to have them in a scalable fashion. So, for us, we really got a little bit of a head start in trying to address, the overutilization via telework. We had started our cloud security gateway work going back to maybe the December-January timeframe, and we had started on the Cloud Access Security Broker around January and February. So, for us, that was a little fortuitous that we had a chance to kind of get out ahead of that. And we had, started moving some of our access early in March, prior to everybody heading out for the telework posture. But I think, one of the best cases that I can say is that, when everybody showed up on telework in that mid-March timeframe, we had flipped the switch to kind of move the highest volume applications, those email, those, productivity apps, some of the things that we had already moved out to the cloud. We were able to flip the switch pretty quickly and kind of move those types of things off of the VPN. Get that VPN traffic to things that were primarily still internal, things that we really needed to keep inside the network, and those things that we had moved outside the network, we were able to get them off the VPN, and we had very, very little problems with almost quadrupling our VPN access requests and VPN traffic, really because I think we had been a little bit proactive in trying to get CASB, CSG, getting applications to the cloud, and really giving, those alternate paths that didn't require a VPN to come into the network just to go back out to the network.